Unirac's 25 years of innovation and commitment is rooted in our U.S.-based manufacturing facility in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We are pioneers in U.S.-made solar racking solutions. Systems like Solar Mount serve as testaments to our creativity and quality and can address the need for racking technology that qualifies for the IRA's domestic content bonus credit.
I really think Unirac is a wonderful New Mexico success story. For such a small state, we have leaders like Unirac that are really raising our profile nationally and even internationally.
But our Albuquerque headquarters is where the core of our operations and manufacturing are based. It's the heart of Unirac and where our customers and partners can experience the products, services, and expertise we have to offer.
Being part of that myself, having my own, not only Unirac racking, but my own photovoltaics on my roof, it's part of how you can personally be a part of that success story, take pride in what we're doing in New Mexico and what we can do to really offer these sorts of transitional solutions to the world.
We stand as an industry leader, creating a path to a brighter, sustainable future. Join us and let's build the future together. With Unirac, better solar starts here.